a key point to touch on with tyres and how we generate grip is that tyres have something called a load sensitivity, which is basically as we increase the load on the tyre, which is this axis along the bottom, so we've pressed down harder on a tyre, the reward you get back from the tyre in terms of grip diminishes. So you can see this blue line curving away. So if we take an example here, we've got two tyres, and let's assume they're both loaded evenly at 4 kilonewtons here. We can generate 7,200 newtons of grip, which is quite good. We get two tyres, so 2 times 7,200 is 14,400 newtons of grip. If we have one tyre heavily loaded, this is really good actually, because it does have a lot of grip. 6,000 newton of load, we get 9,600 newtons of tyre grip. But the unloaded tyre only produces 4,000 newtons of grip. So the total load across the axle is the same. If two evenly loaded tyres at 4,000, or one at 2 and one at 6, and both got 8,000 newtons on them. And then if you sum them up, I can either have two lots of 7,200, which is 14,400, or I can have a 9,600 plus a 4,000, and that adds up to 13,600, which doesn't sound like a big difference, 13.6 to 14.4 kilonewtons. But when you imagine that it doesn't take much tyre grip, a few percent, typically, hang on, let me just move me because I can't see the, 3% tyre grip is typically worth a second a lap. So we've made 6% tyre grip difference from this, this load transfer, but actually 3% tyre grip is all you need to move about 1 second per lap in a typical F1 lap time. So you can see that tyre grip and load sensitivity is really important to sort of minimize the weight transfer on the car to maximize the grip. Otherwise, it doesn't sound like an awful lot, a second or two's lap time, but that's the difference between the front and the back of the grid in Formula One. So it can be a large performance differentiator.